General Motors and Green Standard have partnered with us to look at spaces on the campus that can be revisualized and to see that it has a better purpose to serve the needs of our students today. In many cases, because of budget constraints, we're not able to do those beautification projects. We're focused on making sure that teaching and learning is going on. And when we are able to get these type of support systems, they fill in a gap that many times is never met.
What we're doing here on campus is we're giving new life to our old office furniture. We're finding ways to take all of the elements that you would find inside a traditional workspace and find the best good for it.
GM realized that there was still a lot of residual value in these resources, in this furniture. And with that realization came a very compelling need to ensure that it was not going to a landfill, which unfortunately is what happens on a lot of other workplace decommission projects. This is really an example where General Motors says, you know, the conventional is not going to work for us. We need to break free of the status quo. We need to think big about this.
It's estimated that 8.5 million tons of furniture, equipment, and supplies from various office spaces around the country are sent to landfills. We can do better, and we're trying to do that very thing. We're trying to reach out to others to join forces and move these materials out of the landfill and repurpose them. It's about keeping materials in their use phase. So when they're used for one purpose, the idea to repurpose them into another phase beyond that, and many beyond that, is very, very significant and important.
As you can see behind us, we're inside of a staging area where we stockpile those items, separate them, and inventory them to make sure that they get divided on the trucks to go to all the different purposes and do the most good. This is an awesome opportunity for us to make sure that we're not only benefiting the Tech Center, but we're also benefiting General Motors and the outside communities.
That's why it's significant that these groups are able to receive these materials and use them so that they can build their companies, grow our economy, create more jobs. It all ties together to sustainability of the future.
GM in many ways represents hope for this school. I consider GM family, and they feel it represents community for our students, and they don't just see them as a company, they see them as a partner in their life.